The Asus Zenbook Pro is one of a kind. It's a sleek yet powerful laptop that offers a lot to be desired. You get all your familiar ports and a nice selection, mind you, for such a thin frame, with the only compromise being the lack of a full-sized SD card port. The body of the laptop is finished well, and as a package the laptop offers a very solid experience, especially if you need to travel quite often. Up front you get this gorgeous nano edge panel that has a fair bit of bezel to it. You can configure it to be either a Full HD or a 4K panel, and it's really good. Not anti-glare like I've grown used to, but the 15.6-inch IPS panel comes with 100% Adobe RGB color space support, which could be really useful for creatives. The added touchscreen functionality is also nice, but I didn't use it all too much during my usage. But what makes this laptop unique is its trackpad. It definitely functions as an ordinary trackpad, but you can also use it as a second extended display. Or you get a variety of different apps that you can use to improve productivity. It's nifty to say the least, but I don't know how much of a use case scenario it really brings. I often use the trackpad just normally, but for some it may be different. Now, with this being a laptop rocking the latest i9 processors from Intel, it's very powerful. Inside, you'll also find an Nvidia GTX 1050 GPU and up to 16GB of RAM. Storage can also be configured up to 1TB of SSD, which gives you a read and write speed of approximately 1GB a second, which is great to keep your files and potentially games. Yes, this thing, even for its size, does a very good job running games. I tested it with Fortnite of course, and running on a 4K resolution with high to epic settings was impressive. While not the ideal choice for hardcore gamers, it's nice to see the laptop fare well here too. I mean, I was impressed with how cool it remained during usage because of its 3 heat pipes and 2 cooling fans. And paired with those impressive Harman Kardon speakers, you're looking for quite the solid experience. Things like a good keyboard, even though it has a bit of a flex to it, and a fingerprint scanner for security are good bonuses, and overall, the Asus Zenbook Pro is a package that's worth looking at. But it definitely doesn't come cheap. Thanks for watching our take on the Asus Zenbook Pro. Check out our other videos on screen and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.